Hey Milo, you ready to go? She goes, I'm busy, leave me alone. It's time to go. He said, yeah, you go on. I'm gonna stay back here and play with my red dot in my tunnel. We are in Clear Lake, Iowa. Oh, we gotta turn around. On our way back to Missouri. She's gonna hop down here where we can't see her. I know I have the curtain closed to keep the cool air in. She wants to come back up here. What you see out there? I left the front open because the sun's not on us. It's behind us. What do you think? You don't like it when I close the curtains, but that's what keeps our cool air in the back. I know, it does. Our little AC's not strong enough to cool the whole cab down. It's just not. Yeah. This tunnel has been a hit. We just love the tunnel, don't we? Let's see, will you let me turn it on? Oh, no, she's not gonna let me do it. If I remember, it has this little switch there, and it has a couple of lights around the outside. Did you get me? Did you get me? Did you get me? Turn you over here a little bit more, because I still can't see you. There you are. It has a feather, doesn't it? Yes, feathers are fun. Feathers are fun. We got a foil ball. And the strings that you use to tie to put it away. Oh my goodness. Oh, tunnels are so much fun. You're so silly. You're so silly. Aren't you? Pretty girl. Yeah, I know. I saw that blink. I saw that blink. I said, there used to be some more vicious. Oh, that's vicious. Vicious, vicious, vicious. Oh, you're so vicious. Aren't you? Get it. Don't get my fingers, I'm getting the string. Oh, you're just ferocious. my goodness, this is just more fun than she knows what to do with. Yeah. Just all kinds of fun. Strings, yeah. Pretty girl. You are. You silly thing. You silly thing. The strings are getting you? Are the strings getting you? Pretty girl, aren't you? Can I pull those out of your face? Oh, look at that. Look at that vicious little face. Look at that vicious little face. You my sweetie, aren't you? Yeah. Well, I need to eat my dinner. She's already had hers. Get ready for bed and get going again in the morning. And we'll talk to you guys on Wednesday, won't we? What are you making those kind of ears for?